Okay, so the next question is called repetitions. You're given a DNA sequence string of characters from A, C, G, T. Your task is to find the longest repetition in the sequence. There's a maximum length substring containing only one type of character. Input is the line of and characters, print one integer length of the longest repetition. So for here, we see that the longest repetition is 3G, so then that's why it's 3. Okay, so for this is pretty straightforward. We just iterate through the list, and whenever we get to a character, we just iterate forwards and see if it's the same. If it's the same, then we just update that. If it's not, then we just kind of just continue walking forwards. So we have include IO stream using namespace std using ll equals long long, pretty straightforward. In our main function, we have our string and we input the string. Then we have our character, which we set as c equals s0, so the first character we started off there. Then what we do is we start a for loop. Well, it's I equals to 0 all the way to the end of the length, we increment I. If s of I equals c, so if our si is equal to our current character, then our count would be incremented. Otherwise, we would just kind of see it's the end of this. So we're going to compare our like our current count with our past maximum count. And we're just going to take the maximum of that value. And then we set our counter back to 1 because it's just that element starting from there. And then our C is updated to our current value character. And then we just continue this loop. And it's pretty straightforward. We just iterate through the list and see if it's the same. And in the end, we just output our maximum count, which is the longest repetition. Pretty straightforward, I'd say. End it off here.